Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will share how to update your macOS. Now, let's head on to System Preferences and click Software Update icon. The Software Update Preferences is now checking if updates are available. Click Update Now button to start the update process. You can read the Apple Software License Agreement for macOS. Then click Agree button. Downloading of macOS update has started. And this may take few minutes to complete the activity. Installation of updates will require system restart to complete the macOS software update. Now, your Mac is now up to date and ready to use the new features and fix some bugs.